And you wasn't at work? I would have been saucy as hell. It is so cute in here. It's from my movie. Oh, I thought it was a picture. Like a this is so good. Oh my goodness!
Why did you break your foot?
Because I thought I was gonna be waiting outside. I have to record. This is so cool.
Are you vlogging your life?
I am. I'm trying to. So this is so cool.
It's recording.
Yeah.
Oh, snap.
Okay. I'm just kidding. Alright, we're looking for a book. I really love chicken noodle soup though.
Get chicken
But I don't
soup.
want that. Okay, take back your power. Like, I don't feel like I don't have power. I just feel like these are good titles so I could learn something. But I don't want, I want to go
Steve
like
Harvey.
away. I want to go away.
Go away where?
In the book. I don't want anything that's telling me about myself.
You don't want anything telling you about yourself.
Like, do you do this? If you do this, you shouldn't. You should do this. Because if you do this, then you'll be a good person. If you do that, you'll be a bad person. Like, I don't want that shit. I want, like, ooh. Like this.
Ooh. That's a dictionary.
Well, this is too serious, though. It is.
It's so hard to find a good book.
Come on, you camera. Let's go find a book. Simple Abundance, a day book of comfort and truth. Ooh, I like this. Guys, those are my books. You just want everything that's mine. The dog.